Work. Early in the morning, but around 10 a.m. them hours, the fake page texts me. Remember, he's coming back to me. Now tell me. Tell me now. Common sense, guys. If one fake page texts you about somebody and you block that fake page, maybe they will make another page, you know. But which work? Early in the morning, but around 10 a.m. them hours, the fake page texts me. Remember, he's coming back to me. Now tell me. Tell me now. Common sense, guys. If one fake page texts you about somebody and you block that fake page, maybe they will make another page, you know. But which then you guys can say this, and then you guys, then brother, you know feel say when ice born and if him in the sauce sleep and my head chip, me chip to bomber clot and wake him up in this. No. You like you don't know who the fuck is me. You don't feel like say if ice born and ice asleep and my head chip, me no cuss to bomber clot and them have to wake up in this pussy clot and hear the ras clot, them a chip and fly in this bomber clot house here when my head take me. You no feel so? It's no difference when he's born or when he's in belly, cause when my head chip, my head just chip. You need to control your rat bat. You need to control your gal. Your big fat, hey, I don't want you. No, what? I use it myself. And when don't know, the people that are gonna say Ivany
the fake page is not the girl. I didn't say you want to be the girl. I said you want the fake page to be the girl so bad. Damn, everything being good. Why not you let the shit be good?
Yeah, that's not serious.
Because the fake page. Everybody got fake pages texting them. I got fake pages texting me all the time. You just gotta learn how to not indulge in this shit, bro. Like, that shit is annoying. We just got out of the hospital. We need to be laying down resting. Why can't we never have good vibes and peace? Because nobody talking about this shit is you.
Block you.
Why can't we just have good vibes and peace? You're talking about peace so much, but you don't want that shit, bro. Anything can happen to your ass. I'm right to call away. You ain't gotta make up some story to push it, to block a nigga again. Like, nobody's worried about that shit. I'm focused on the baby and your health. You just got out of the hospital. You need to...
That. When the morning come now, 7 o'clock, when the nurse them say, them are gonna release me because I'm not really ready for have the baby. But if you feel an experience for come back, and me a call if you come for me not get to you. So if me did do a baby ready for come out of the hospital, and me know the experience, me can manage it by my blood clot self. Cause the only thing was left to do was go back on the bed and push. That's the only thing that left to do. Go back on the bed and push. And then blood clot sign my paper and get released and go me yard. So nobody come go on like say me need you. Nobody come go on like say no bumbo clot body. I make up story. I don't need to make up story. Everybody, and then me tell him say, I make a post, hear him now. If I'm doing this for the media like what I said, I give them what I want, it's not going to work and I must stop. Remember, you know, anything me do, I can talk what I do. And me come on the media come tell you say, the things them want for and the boy, the woman for blood clot, I'm not going to tell you me and the boy, because that's in your mind, so that me go give for run with. I don't do things or say things for get blood clot gift. A long time me I get gift and a long time me I get money. Long time me I get gift and a long time me I get money. And enough time when me come on the live and me talk something when you tell me say me delusional and I lie me I tell and the boy not this and the boy not that and I show me one but the boy when I say blood clot going in real life I because him now come live come talk nothing because man look a sneaking bitch but you me now hold down nothing. So now if I was making a fake page to text this girl or saying text myself, would I be so fucking delusional? I would have been so delusional. What sense would this make? Look here now. You said you and this girl not together anymore. In her head, you and her dating. You follow her on Instagram. She follow you on Instagram. No problem, fine. The fact that you came here